Welcome guys to the first of our Powerflex videos, because we know that you're all stuck at home, you can't go anywhere, you can't drive your car, you can't go to a car show, you can't go to a car meet. So what you're going to do, you're going to park yourself in the garage, you're going to park yourself on the drive and fix your car or make it better. So that's what these videos are all about. It's all about taking a product, helping you to learn a little bit more about it, and then on some of them I'll even get my hands dirty and show you how to fit them. But today we're going to talk about one of the classic hot hatches of all time, the Citroen Saxo VTR and VTS. Back in the day, just one of those cars you had to own. One of the most tuned, most modded cars during the Max Power era, and with good reason, because they're awesome. Now Powerflex do this incredible kit, and the part number for this, I'm reading off the top here, PF12K1002, so search for that if you want to buy it. Let's just say it's beautifully packaged. If you're looking to send a gift to a car enthusiast during these tricky times, I think that would arrive in the post and look very nice. But let's have a look what's inside, because this is a very comprehensive kit, and if you're looking to do a Saxo all in one go, this kit has everything you might need in one package, or at least a good way down the road. So as we say, beautifully packaged. But let's talk about why you'd fit polyurethane anyway. Well, the rubber bushes on any car, not just the Citroen, are there for a reason. They're built down to a price, not up to a quality. Rubber is very cheap, and as it gets older it goes soft and it moves. Now polyurethane is much more precise in the way that it fits, so when you put it on a suspension component, that component will stay, so the car will feel more positive. So when you're braking, you'll get less movement in the suspension arms, the handling will be improved. If you're just looking for economy, tyre wear is better. So on many ways, well, all ways other than cost, polyurethane wins. So what's in the kit? Let's have a look. So these here are the rear beam mount bushes. Now these are the purple, these are the Road Series bushes, so they're 80A Shore hardness. And what you've got there is better than the rubber. So you've got these lovely crush tubes that slide in, and they sit on the rear beam. That's going to make the car feel much more positive at the rear end. We do like that. We've also got in here, now this is a really nicely engineered bit of kit. This is the front axle location kit, the rear bush of the front axle. It's really nice, comes with these two very lovely treated brackets. You've got the bush that then fits inside those, perfect fit. And then of course you've got all of your bolts, your grease. Now this is something you could do at home, decent trolley jack and a couple of axle stands. Everything's in the kit that you need. You notice as well they're nylock nuts, so they're not going to come undone. It's a very comprehensive kit. Retail on this is about 227. If you search around on the part number, which I'll put at the bottom, you might be able to find a bit of a deal. Don't tell them I told you that. Now this of course is the engine mount bush. Very substantial, again in 80A Shore hardness. Very simple, just two halves of one bush that goes together with a crush tube that goes in the middle. So I do think most of you, if you've got a Saxo at home, I think you will be able to fit these yourself. Beautifully made, here in the UK as well. So, you know, the economy is going to be on its knees after all this, so buy British, help them out. And the final piece of the jigsaw for the front end of the car are the front wishbone front bushes. So these are the other bushes for those. And again, beautifully made, precision moulded, with your crush tubes and your grease. So they're just a case of get your old bushes out, burn them out, push them out, replace these bad boys, get your crush tubes in, grease them up, years and miles of faithful service. So there you go, everything you need to make your Saxo sing for about 200, 220 quid. You'll find that online, and something you could probably do on a good day or a nice relaxed weekend. So stay indoors, stay safe, fix your car. So there you have it. Just because you're stuck at home doesn't mean you're stuck for ideas of how to improve your car, make it handle better, make it more fun to drive. If you want to know anything more about any Powerflex products, go to the website at powerflex.co.uk or check them on social media.